How to check budget rental car availability on the website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search budget.com. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, simply scroll down and click on Pick Up Location and then type in your pickup location. After you've selected the pickup location, select the time and date. You can select the return location, return time, and date. Then, after that, you can click on Select My Car. After you've clicked on Select My Car, you will find different options of vehicle. At the top, you'll find all these filters. Select all vehicles or what kind of vehicles you want, as you'll find different options like trucks and vans, SUVs. After that, you can sort by price, add offer code if you have one, and you can also change the currency if you're in the different location. Then, according to the filter, you will find all the vehicles available. You can select the one you prefer, and you will find information of that specific vehicle. And this is how to check budget rental car availability on the website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.